is up, guys? I'm hoping that you are having an awesome day. Have you ever wondered how far can a Baja go in a single tank of fuel? Well, I have, and today I'm going to find out. The Baja we will be using for this test is my stock King motor 29cc. This is a KM001. It has got a Ruler Pro pipe and a 29cc 4-bolt motor. The only thing I did different on this car from out of the box is I've got different set of tires on it, and I put a filter sock on the car to protect it from the dust of the road. Right, so I've got my FlySky GT5 transmitter connected to this car. I can make minor adjustments on the car, and what I'm going to do is make the throttle open 50%. If we're going to do this entire journey full taps, as you know, I'm going to burn out that motor and I don't want to do that. So we are going to do about 40-50 k's an hour, I'm assuming. I haven't started yet, so I don't know. But you guys will see along with me. And then we're going to see how many kilometers we can go and how long it's going to take, more or less. I'm going to have two speedometers. The one is going to be on the car. I just need to see if I can get it into the battery box. The other one is going to, in the vehicle itself, I'm going to zero the odometer and let's see how far we drive in total. The fuel that I will be using is a 95 octane with a 25:1 mix ratio, and the oil I'll be using is caster based. Also, Rovan has launched this little booklet recently that's got all the specs of their motors, and it shows the average consumption and all the specs of the engines, as you guys see here. So we're going to see how that correlates with the tests and the end result that we find here today. Look at this booklet of Rovan here and see what they're trying to tell us. I personally don't know 100% how relevant it is, but it says the minimum specific fuel consumption of grams per kilowatt hour is 830. So if we go to this little conversion website here, we see that they say the Rovan 29cc max output is 1 kilowatt. So let's put that in there, and you see that it works out to just over a liter per hour. So now this is the minimum consumption. So if you're going to run your 700cc tank, it means the most you're going to get out of it is 40 minutes. And today we are going to test that theory. If we look at the HPI website, they actually say that the 700cc tank will last you about half an hour at full throttle. But please note that the bigger engines will consume more. Right, let's get to it. It's playtime! That's all I need. I'll make it. That's all I need. Alright, so how full did I make the tank? As full as I make it every time I do a long run. Let me see if I can get a picture there. As you guys can see, it's right there by the bend of the mouth. The car is leaning a little bit this way. So I filled it up as full as everybody makes it to do a full day run. And that is going to give us a good indication. It's not measured by milliliters. It's measured by the average Joe filling up his tank. Turn it on. Test the remote steering. Okay, everything's working well there. Let's fire it up. Okay, this is the GPS unit. I'm just waiting for a satellite signal. There we go. It shows it's driven some. And now I'm going to start it again. So I really didn't think that it will be this much work, but it's quite difficult to keep this car on the road. So I've got it full taps at the moment, 50% throttle on the remote, and we are doing about 43 k's an hour by the looks of the car's top speed. I don't know what the GPS looks like yet. My greatest fear is hitting a big rock and rolling the car, especially once I got the GoPro on the roof. Look at the article in the road. Alright, I must admit, I did not expect to hit that thing at all. When I was coming up to it, it was all aggressive, standing its ground, and then turned around, bolted, and I truly expected it to run out of the way. It's difficult to see the distance you are from things driving at that speed, but I hit it. It's fine. I'm happy. So let's continue with the test.
A few moments later.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Alright guys, so I just stuck my GPS unit here into this filter sock. It worked really well. Oh, I don't know how well it is for the GPS unit, but there it is. Now we're going to check the measurements. Now we say stop and then read. Max speed 52 k's an hour. That must have been now when it ran out of fuel because the RPMs climbed up. Average speed 35 kilometers an hour. Distance 18 kilometers, 18.6 kilometers. Time lapse 31 minutes. Well, there was a few times that I had to stop, so it was probably less than that. So say 25 minutes, 18.6 kilometers, and a top max speed of 52 k's an hour. Rightio! Well, that was a lot of fun, and I think I'm going to do that again sometime. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. We're hitting 3,000 subscribers now, and I just hope to grow this channel and show you guys more awesome content. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.